Hey there, fellow bloggers, smart businessmen, and passionate entrepreneurs. Choosing Hostinger for your website hosting is one of the best decisions you can make, and I'm truly excited to help you make it even more affordable and enjoyable today. I've got two excellent Hostinger discount opportunities ready for you. My personal referral code brings you a straight 20% off any hosting plan, while the coupon code DARREL10 gives you 10% off. Between the two, the referral option clearly offers better savings, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to unlock it. This Itzvus useful and calming guide will take you step by step on how to grab that impressive 20% Hostinger discount. You will find my referral link waiting for you in the description, thoughtfully arranged by country with local language and currency support. Pick your country, click once, and you'll be taken straight to the official Hostinger site. On the website, navigate to the top menu and hit Products and Services. There you will discover a complete lineup of reliable hosting plans and services. The good news is that my 20% referral discount applies beautifully to every single one. Today I'll demonstrate with the web hosting section and specifically the business web hosting plan. That's it. As you proceed to checkout, you'll smile when you notice the 20% discount has been applied automatically. Simple, smooth, and incredibly satisfying. Quick reminder for the best experience, please use a brand new email address that you've never used on Hostinger before. There you have it, an inspiring way to launch or upgrade your website without breaking the bank. If this video felt informative and helpful to you, please show some love by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. I regularly share the latest Hostinger deals and useful hosting advice. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Go grab that amazing discount and I'll catch you in the next video.